What are the main data softwares that I must need to learn to get more control in data understanding and usage of the data for company benefits? Okay, now that's a very broad question, Atisha. Mm, I'm not sure what metrics you are tracking. If you are tracking awareness stage, it depends on what stage of the funnel, because we've got all these various stages, right? Awareness, subscribe, convert, excite, ascend, and so on. It really depends on what you are tracking. Tracking the data and getting the metrics is one thing, and then putting them in a Google Spreadsheet or Google Data Studio is where you'll be able to analyze the metric easily and quickly. So as far as software, I mean, there are lots of software like Databox, and there are millions of them out there. The ones which we use is Google Spreadsheet, where we import all the data in either automatically or manually, and Google Data Studio for making dashboards, because that's what you need. You need a dashboard to look at the data. And if you can get the data into the dashboard, you'll be able to do pie charts and bar graphs and all sorts of things. So those two things again, Google Data Studio and Google Sheet is free to use from Google. So thank you, Google.